made it to our first buck stop. I'm just gonna get you anyway. Yeah, we're checking it out. First time.
All right, here we go. Wow. Turning bar. Check it out.
It's a little crazy in there.
All right, we got the brisket sandwich, and it comes with complimentary pickles, barbecue sauce, and onions. And it cost $8.49. We got the sliced brisket. You get a fair amount on here. Wow. Stop it. It's good. What is it? Sliced brisket. What you think? Extra larges, they are massive.
Today I am introducing Steve to the C&O Canal and Harper's Ferry.
Woo!
So we drove down from Hagerstown after seeing my mom. Woo. Yeah, and wanted to spend a couple days exploring, and this is our first stop.
So we parked outside of Boonesboro, Maryland, and we're heading down to the trail. Make sure there's no trains. Okay, here we go. C&O Canal.
All right, C&O Canal, take 2. Now that we came back for the bug spray, because the bugs were just attacking us down there. So we'll try it again.
So you can see the river is not looking good. It's got all the green algae on it, and yeah.
What's the name of this creek? It's a river. We are near Harper's Ferry, West Virginia. How far away from where are we from West Virginia?
Not far, a couple miles.
Come on.
Less than a mile.
It just needs a little canoe, some fishing rods, maybe a little grill. No tent. You're not a tenter.
It's true. I don't know if I have enough bug spray.
Yeah, need more bug spray with this one. Because of this cool tree.
Am I at a beach? We have a friend on our trip. A turtle. I don't know if he's a snapping turtle, but I'm not touching him. Nice. Crazy mushrooms.
Like that. We're in Harper's Ferry.
$17.99.
Old Town.
Oh,
Hall Tavern. So I guess here's an old drinking water hole. It's actually kind of tiny. All right, so that is Maryland. That is Virginia. We are standing in West Virginia.
need a picture of the map.
There's the map. Store where you should shop.
Just taking a little tour on Harper's Ferry. There's a lot of historical buildings, museums.
Hike number 2. Today we are at Cunningham Falls State Park. And we're gonna take Chuck. And we're gonna take Chuck again on a walk. This one though, it's got a bit of a hill to it.
Oh, I don't like hills. Now she's telling me about the hill. All right,
You ready?
we'll see how we do.
All right, so are we gonna do the difficult one that's a mile? Or are we gonna do the moderate one? It's a half mile. Which one?
Moderate.
Okay. It's a bit of an incline on this moderate trail.
Come on.
A lot of fallen trees. Everywhere. But I guess that's the woods for you. To the falls. They didn't used to have these walkways though. Alright, we're going to attempt the difficult trail this time. It doesn't have the path like that one. Yeah, let's go up. Let's go back this way, try something different. Oh look, they're taking their dogs around up to the cliffs. I don't think that was difficult. Whew. It was quite the hike up. Now we get to go downhill. You walk down that path and then you can see still the destruction of all the trees. Insane. But they've cleared the path, which is nice for us for wanting to hike up to the falls.
Yeah. What's that?
This is our light attire.
Yeah.
Means we can't do a mile hike up a hill in rocks
Why?
because we have our flip flops on. Charlie just has her collar.
Okay.
No harness. So, cutting back.
I didn't record this. Alright, this is a nice big lake area. Ooh, they have kayaks. I don't know what else. This all looks relatively new. Where are we?
Richie Cunningham Falls.
too. Wait, let's see. She might go. She's going.
Oh look, the current's bringing it this way. Is she gonna wait it out? One more stop on our little Maryland tour, and this is High Rock, and it, from my understanding, was a hang glider takeoff, but it has amazing views.
Don't like that it's been taken over with graffiti and it is now ugly, because it used to be a really just cool spot.
Do it up that high.
I'm king of the world!
You are scaring me so close to the edge. Ah!
Where are we headed today, Steve?
Pat Skate Jam
Brand X Skate Fest.
at Amy.
Pat and Amy. We got our staff shirts on.
I'm a staff member. Gonna head up security.
We'll see.
Maybe eat some sandwiches.
Yeah. We're excited.
Watch some skateboarding.
Watch some Mid-Atlantic skateboarding.
I'm definitely not going to skateboard, but I'll reminisce from back in the day.
Back in the day.
I used to have a back.
Oh, yeah. Steve actually got to work, use some power tools.
I got to almost learn how to be a framer, but now I'm head sander of the bowl.
Getting off the scuff marks.
I was allowed to sweep up a little bit. It's like working at a shaping shack. You get to sweep up and just take it all in and learn.
You are low man on the totem
I get to
pole.
learn from the masters. That skate bowl is amazing.
It is. I can't wait to show it to you
The
guys.
carpentry is amazing.
So intricate. Detail. It's crazy. All right.
Talk to Mr. Eric
Yes.
and his partner Mark, those guys, and Chris McGibbon. They killed it.
He did kill it.
Van setting up. Big old fire pit. Sign ups. Some games and camping area. The beer and wine crew. Snacks table.